How to delete an account on Google Authenticator. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete an account from the Google Authenticator application on your iPhone or Android device. So let's get started. First of all, we can head over and open Google Authenticator application. Here right now I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the Google Authenticator application is the same on both of the devices. So once you're in your Google Authenticator application, you'll be able to see a list of applications that you have added the accounts for. So all you need to do is simply select the account that you wish to delete. For example, if I wish to delete this one over here, you're going to simply slide it to the left, and then you'll be able to see an edit icon and a delete icon. So if you wish to delete an account from Google Authenticator, you're going to simply click on this bin over here, and then it will say that remove this specific account, and it will say that when you remove this account from Authenticator, you won't get codes to help you sign in securely anymore. And make sure you update your settings for this account to reflect this change. So you're going to simply click on remove account, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that the account is no longer there among the list. So that means that your account has been deleted from Google Authenticator. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.